Mama mapa amadi macha masusingi mari fagathanduna hena afaba angang semnabagi pandamda Joyful Parenting Summit haiba program amang asi pangthokrai. Thauramasi India gi maming lairaba preschool chain ama oiriba Little Millennium na sinduna Imphal gi Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ki auditorium da pangthokhibani. Thauram aduga mari lainana Little Millennium gi academics ki regional manager Pia Mukherjee na paumi sing da phongdorakpada hauziki matamda mama mapa oiba singna pigliba macha singa loina duna laiba haiba asi maru oiba tanfam ama oirakli. Pigliba angang singda mobile phone paihanduna YouTube video yenghanba asina angang singda chauna akaiba piraknaba machaga maso oihali. Hairiba video sing asi yenghanba matamda mama mapa oiba singnaso angang singa chanaba content oibra natraga oidrabra haiba asi ningthina yengshinba mathau tai. Pigliba angang singda takpi tambiba matamda taba masung wangang bahana tambigadabani amadi wangang bahairaba tungda paba amasung iba tambiba mathau tai. Mama mapa oiba singnasu macha singa wari shanaduna laiminaba amadi macha singa ngang bawat tabiba amadi children park na chingba mafam singda chatuna sanaminabagi tangai fadabalai. Maram asina matau karamna parenting tawgadagi haiba si Manipur gi mama mapa oiba singda khanghanaba thauram asi pangthokpani haike. Thauram aduda Pia Mukherjee yauna Little Millennium gi academics gi senior manager Sauli Chakrabarti Babina Hospital Imphal gi MSc Clinical Psychology Maibam Renupama amadi Hospital asigi MSc Food Nutrition and Dietetics Mayangbam Nikitana resource person oina wangangki. Thauram aduda pigliba mahairoi singna nad amasung chatnabiga mari lainana performance kaya su utkibaga loinana auditorium gi mapanda lairik amasung sanapot ka mari lainaba stall kaya su hangdokhi.
Whenever we see a child, we say a child with a mobile. They're watching reels, they're watching YouTube, which is not good at this age. They need to play, they need to socialize. So here we are to help the parents of Imphal in their parenting journey. That yes, it is very important for you to spend that quality time with your child, to take the child to the nearest park, play with them, talk to the child. How was your day? Who was sitting beside you? What tiffin did you have? What did you study? What did teacher say? This communication is gradually decreasing. So we should be very mindful in this parenting journey. So here Little Millennium have stepped forward to help parents of Imphal, parents of Little Millennium and all other parents to help them in their parenting journey.